Hello guys, I'm Mashood Ahmad Danish. Hope you all will be fine in this hard time. So may God rid us from this pandemic condition as fast as He can. So today I have brought a tutorial not, I can say a demo of my project which I have made with the help of Django for the web development for Django and for machine learning purpose. In this video, I have combined the Django web development framework of Python and machine learning, so that the main purpose of this project is to predict the whether the patient, predict whether a patient is diabetic or not due to some attributes like pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, body mass index, and diabetes, pedigree function, age. Okay, by knowing this all the values, these all 8 values, we can predict whatever will be the outcomes. The outcomes is that 0 or 1. Okay, the outcomes is only 2, 0 or 1. 0 means a person is not suffering from diabetic sorry, and 1 means a person is suffering from a diabetic. So according to these data, pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, these all 8 data, we can train our model so that we can get a result of whether a person is diabetic or not. Okay, so this is a type of our demo project. I am not going to make a tutorial series for this so this is my demo. So because I want to store it as my project work, because so that I can show anyone whenever I will asked to see my project, because this project I was not able to host on online. The real fact is that because of some Mastercard issue they are charging. So leaving that, I make a video and want to save this for future purpose. Okay, so now I will start. Okay, so we'll go to my website which I have designed. This is this. See, this website I have designed. So welcome to Diabetic Prediction presented by Mashood Ahmad Danish. This is a mini project of machine learning algorithm in which a heavy large dataset of diabetic and non-diabetic patient is being trained to our machine so that it would predict the final result whether a person is diabetic or not. So the guys which are not familiar with the machine learning, I want to give some basic idea that in machine learning we train our machine for some data, for by taking some data, and we train our machine so that it can predict for the next value when the next data will given to the machine. So our machine will train in this way. So let's go and predict some value. So go there, predict. See, predict the patient sugars test. By knowing this value, we can predict whether a person is diabetic or not. So pregnancies, if there is male, so pregnancies will be 0. Okay. So by knowing this glucose level, blood pressure, skin thickness, insulin, body mass index, diabetes, pedigree, function, age, we can get whether a person is diabetic or not. So I want to take some data, some real data, and want to check that whether it is giving a true value or not. So here the whole data is present there. I have uploaded this whole project on my GitHub, so you can go through it. I will provide the link of my GitHub in my description. So see, these types of data are there. Pregnancies, glucose, blood pressure. The patient whose pregnancy is 6 times, glucose is 148, blood pressure is 72, skin thickness 35, insulin 0, body mass index this, age 50, it will he is suffering from a disease, diabetic. Okay, so these all types of data along about wait about 600 and 769 data that we have. So we trained this data to our machine so that our machine will predict the real data. Okay, so now I will choose any of the random. See, let's select the row number 615. So this 6 105 80. Okay, let's input 6 105 80, 6 105 80, 28 0 32.5, 28 0 32.5. Where it go? 32.5, where it go? Yeah, and 0.878 26. Okay, 0.878 and 26, 0.878, 0.878 and 26. So by knowing these value, we want to try that whether my machine is giving the actual value or not, actual, whether my machine is predicting actual value or actual outcomes or not. So by now predicting, by clicking this, see, now the result comes, which shows that the your pregnancies was 6 input, and 1 and 5 80 28 32.5 0.878 and 26. It shows that the result negative. It means the person which have these in which have this pregnancy, glucose, blood pressure, etc., he is not suffering from a diabetes. So our machine, let's see, our machine has predicted right or not. So go through this 0.878 615 C 0. So our congrats, our machine has predicted correctly. It here shows 0. 0 means the person is not suffering from the disease, and 1 means the person is suffering from a disease, diabetic. So our machine has predicted correctly, and this was the whole project I have designed in Django web development for the development purpose, and machine learning algorithms with the help of Python also. So let's go through my machine learning algorithm. So I have made this in the Jupyter notebook, and with the help of machine learning algorithm logistic regression, I have made this project successfully, and the prediction and the accuracy score is 0.74. It means across 0.75. It means out of 100 our machine, this machine, my machine, will predict correctly. Out of 100, 75 times my machine predict correctly. Maybe there will be chance when my machine, because machine is not a such things that it cannot do wrong. It also can do wrong, but mostly time 0 at 75 times out of 100 it will give correct value. So this was the whole project. Thank you and have a nice day.